all the live long day. I've been working on the RV all the live long day. Hey folks, I want to say thank you to all the laborers out there that help make this country great every day. We thank you for your efforts, we thank you for your hard work, and let's get back to it. That said, we've been working hard too, bringing you some of the best deals in the industry this Labor Day weekend. How about a deal so good you feel like you're getting the day off all year round? Well, I guess I'll get back to it. Got to work on this RV. Maybe I should wait for the text to do it. Excuse me, are you supposed to be working on that RV? I don't reckon so.
Giant recreation world.